Show me what it do. Then I spray something for you. My girl, my girl.
So y'all, this is a re-upload of the Miami Chronicles that was a situation with my best friend Paris. This was originally posted on our YouTube channel, which is the Unfabulous Life of Ebony and Paris. But I never uploaded anything on my channel, and I just wanted to put it up to revisit it because I was looking at something the other day and it just reminded me of the whole Miami trip or whatever. It was so much fun, y'all. It was so much fun. So yes, without further ado, here's the video. Hey y'all, we finna go to Miami. They should still be able to. You would think they would hear me better. And I'm just thugging it out with one bag. And I'm about to die because this bag is super heavy. We tired of walking, Jesus. I'm tired. Oh, damn. Okay, let me put this phone down since we're going to the checkpoint. Oh, watch your step. Woo! This thing is actually fun. Yeah. Oh, now you want to crossbody your thing. Melanin popping. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Hey, with oh. Hey. Oh my God. Y'all, so we got oh snap. So we got like we have hour and 20 minutes until we board our flight. So yeah, we'll see y'all a little later. Oh, my bad, darling. You better be correct me then. Paris, who slayed my hair? Bye. Waiting on her at the door like, I hope. So, we get here.
Out of all the flights I done been on.
All the flights. We get here on time. We got an hour and some change before we depart. Why is our flight delayed 2 hours and some change? Y'all.
Ow.
Hell.
Ow.
Hurts.
Ow. I won't stop being crazy with my flight delayed. Ow.
I was ready to be like in some shorts in Miami, but in some shorts.
I bought jeans and boots. No, I'm not.
I wish I could zoom in right now. Yeah.
We on 2 different types of
Girl, I got shorts in this bag. Yeah, we
I got
hurt.
everything. I just packed everything.
Yeah.
But that's not the point. The point is
we were supposed to leave at 11:35. We're leaving at 2 something?
2:15. I think it may be you. Like, this only happened with you. All my other flights been on time.
I know she fucking lying.
Why are you touching me? I'm confused. I'm confused.
I slept it away.
Yes.
I sexed it away.
Yes.
I read it away. Away.
I couldn't get my voice together.
But it's like
Crazy in the sky. I don't want to feel those metal clouds. It's like planes in the sky.
not planes.
I said cranes.
Oh.
Can I get a window seat? Don't want nobody next to me.
You gonna sing the rap?
Yeah, we're finally getting on this darn plane to go to Miami. Who's supposed to be gone?
Woo! Woo!
Y'all, we finally in Miami. We have been at the airport literally all day. It's crazy.
But you ain't here.
I need to insert his face right there. Oh my god. Okay, baby girl came to slay, honey. Looking like
I think I come to play with your dogs.
I came to slay, bitch. Take collard greens. We healthy in these streets, baby. Healthy. I am hungry though.
Again?
We ate early. Don't do that. Well, y'all, the next time you see us, we will be looking. Trying to steal somebody's daddy in these streets.
I'm a Christian woman.
Not steal somebody's daddy, like somebody's husband. Like.
Miami nights, it was all a dream. If I can get my money right, I'm about to OD. Little more weed, first class seat.
Hey y'all, you know we look cute or whatever. That's not our Uber. Oops. No, I was because he wrote the way she rode up, but it is a stoplight here. So you guys, we're going to go.
We are
that's
in
cute.
Miami.
And she's snapping.
Miami Beach. We got our shit together. So we good.
Yes, honey, we look good. So we're currently just waiting for our Uber. We're probably gonna go to head to Fat Tuesdays. I don't know. We'll see. Y'all see when we get there or whatever. Oh, this wind is a little atrocious. Ferocious. Why is this car waiting right here? In Miami. Okay. At least my feet don't hurt. Right. My feet don't hurt at all, y'all. We're out here on Ocean Drive. Yeah. I was going to say Collins too. This wind, y'all, Miami feels so good. You know, this is my first time. Yeah, this is my first time ever being out here. This is Paris' time, second time? Yeah. So, like, this feels super lit to me. My mom said back home.
Like that. What?
I don't know what I'm walking like. So,
Like you got to go to work.
okay. So my mom said back home in Charlotte it's like
Now watch your step.
25 degrees, 30 degrees, and you know that's super cold. Hold on, step y'all. Sidewalk. Yeah, so we're on the hunt to go find something to eat. I think we're gonna go to like TGI Fridays. I got it. TGI Fridays and get something to eat and then head back to our place. And yeah, so it's hey, we're yeah, okay,
As long as you know, don't be trying to sue us when we blow
for
up.
real though.
Oh, okay, and also.
Y'all, I just want to let y'all know I just got proposed to on the beach. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Y'all, we're doing our first big bus tour in Miami. It's lit.
Thank you. All right, you guys.
Hey.
So we are on our way back into the city. Day
Little
2. Would this be counted as day 2 in Miami? Full day?
basically full day because we don't
Basically.
count.
Friday because we were delayed like 5 hours on our flight. But nonetheless, we are here. So this is day number 2. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon, and we are about to go into the city and explore some more.
Yes. You know, we'll record and bring you on a Miami adventure, mommy. He's arriving now.
Okay, bye. On this tour bus, and I am freezing. It's
Today
cold.
we were low key smart because I brought my jacket and stuff. She got long sleeves on for day 2, but this top level is
Not even a little bit. It's a very beautiful city.
That is very beautiful. I was just like this yesterday.
You can just save all those and put them in a melange.
She's a monster. Goodbye. This is not happening right now. Bitch, I think he's so freaking mad. Bitch, you need a leaf or something?
I never had to be so mad in my life.
Say hey. Oh, no, it was funny. I gotta pee now. Back on the girdle and Spanx and shit, I can't do all that. That was funny. Don't touch me. Get your sanitizer.
I didn't touch them.
I'm just saying, don't touch me yet. Get your sanitizer. How you feel, bitch?
They know.
How you feel, bitch?
Relieved. You guys, our last day in Miami, and it's really bittersweet because I do not want to go home. Like, y'all, the street art here is like so freaking ridiculously like cool.